Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all like my apron? I think it's cute. But anyway, I showed you guys how to make sugar cookies. So today I decided to go ahead and show you guys how to make chocolate chip cookies. But before we get any further into this video, let me go ahead and give you the word of the day. I'm taking it to Psalms 67 verse 1. It says, "May God be gracious to you and bless you and make his face shine on us." So, you already know, once I give you the Bible verse, it's time to get right into the video. So, let me go ahead and tell you guys all the ingredients that you're going to need. I'm going to put it on the screen, and I'm also going to put it in the description down below. You will need a half a cup of butter. You will need a half a cup of sugar. You will need a half a cup of light brown sugar. You will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You will need 1 egg. You will need one and 1/2 cup of flour. You will need half a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. You will need half a teaspoon of sea salt, and of course a cup of chocolate chips. So if you're ready for this, come with me and let's get right into the video. Okay, so first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your flour, you're going to take your baking soda, baking powder, and your salt, pop it with your flour, then you're just going to stir it up, put that to the side. Now you're going to mix your lovely half a cup of butter, put that in a bowl. Piling up dishes, y'all. Your butter and your half a cup of white sugar and your half a cup of brown sugar in the bowl. Then you're just going to mix that all in there. But now that your butter and your sugar is mixed, it's time to go for the egg. So now you're going to need your 1 egg. Put this in the chocolate chips for a second. Crack your lovely egg. And you're going to need your vanilla. Now you're just going to beat the crap out of it. So you're going to beat your eggs. And when I mean beat it, I mean beat it. You're going to beat your eggs for about 3-4 minutes until it looks a little bubbly like that. But after that's done, you can go ahead and add your flour, your butter, and your sugar. Mix them together. You can add your eggs and your vanilla. Now, your chocolate chips. Sounds so good. Just roll it in there. Okay, so once everything is nicely mixed together, should be looking something like this. Put some foil in your pan. Take your Mrs. Pam and spray your foil. Now it's time to scoop your cookies. You're gonna have your oven on 375 degrees. You're gonna bake this for about 8 to 10 minutes. But yeah, so let's put it in the oven. Okay, so I know y'all may be able to see my background over here, but don't mind, I'm wrapping gifts. But let's get into this cookie. It's so soft in the middle. It's so soft. Let's try it out. I think I'm in love. that just about wraps up this video. If you have not, make sure that you like and subscribe. Also follow my social medias. I will make sure it's popping up here and down here. But anyways, see you till next time. Peace.